Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a quick and easy hair growth oil using 6 oils. If you are interested in this video, then please stay tuned. So the oils that I'm going to be using for this hair growth oil is olive oil, castor oil, coconut oil. You could definitely replace the coconut oil with grapeseed oil, and I also have avocado oil. I have about a quarter cup of each oil, and I'm also going to be using 2 essential oils, lavender and peppermint. Of course, you could definitely alter this recipe however you see fit for your own hair. You don't have to use these exact oils. I'll also leave the benefits of all these oils in the description box, with also links to where you can get these oils from as well. And I'll also leave other oils that you can alternate between if these are not your oils of choice. Personally, these are my favorite oils that I like to use on my own hair. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to take all the oils and put them into this applicator bottle. And then after I add the oils, I'm going to add a few drops, probably about 20 to 30 drops of the lavender oil and the peppermint oil into the applicator bottle. So now I'm just going to show you how I would apply this to my hair. So I would just mainly focus this on my scalp, and you can also use this oil as a hot oil treatment as well. And I would just like I said, apply it directly to my scalp, and then afterwards just do a gentle massage. And by gently massaging your scalp, it stimulates the hair follicles and allows the deeply nourishing oils to penetrate your scalp, strengthening and thickening your hair at the roots. Also, you should oil your scalp 3 times per week. Gives your scalp and your hair follicles a chance to absorb the oil before adding on a fresh new layer of oil. Okay, so that is all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.